In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move cards to done in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for staying organized, whether you're managing personal projects, team workflows, or anything in between. But did you know Trello's automation features can save you even more time? By setting up a simple rule, you can ensure that any card marked as complete is automatically moved to your done list. This eliminates the manual effort of dragging cards and keeps your boards clean and efficient. Let me show you how to set this up step by step. First, open your Trello board and look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a lightning icon. This is the automation menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a range of options that allow you to create rules and automate different processes on your Trello board. Next, select the Rules option from the Automation menu. This is where you'll define the specific steps of your automation. Once you're in the Rules section, click on Create Automation to get started with setting up a new rule. Now, let's focus on the trigger for your automation. Navigate to the Card Changes section under the Triggers menu. This is where you'll define what action will prompt the automation to run. Look for the option that says when the card is marked as complete. When you find it, click the plus button to add this as your trigger. This means the rule will activate whenever you mark a card as complete. With the trigger set, it's time to define what happens next. Head over to the Move section under Actions. Here, you'll select what action Trello should take once the trigger is activated. Choose the option Move the card to list. Once you've selected this action, a text field will appear where you can specify the destination list. In this case, type the name of your completed task list. For example, if your list is called Done, type Done into the text field. Make sure the name matches exactly with the list on your Trello board. Then, click the plus button to confirm this action. When you've set both the trigger and the action, you're almost done. To save your new automation rule, click the Save button located at the top right corner of the page. This ensures that your automation is active and ready to use. Now that your rule is set up, it's time to test it out. Mark a card on your board as complete and watch as Trello automatically moves it to your done list. If everything works as expected, congratulations, you've successfully automated this task, making your workflow even smoother. If you're new to Trello, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and start using it today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.